Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another Ital Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. So yesterday I realized the only fruit or raw food I ate was a single orange. That is so unlike me. I am high raw, and what happened is that I just didn't have any groceries yesterday, and I've been rotting in the house for the past week because I had finals and I had a lot of work to do for work, and now I'm taking a little bit of a break from work. Finals are done. I got a 92 on my last final and I finished with all A's and 1 B. Can we have a round of applause, please? So now I'm finally gonna go grocery shopping, but I'm gonna bring one with me and we're gonna go stock up on fruit and veggies. I'm so excited. I really need it. This is not really going to be a what I eat in a day. I have a lot of cleaning and housework to do because I just neglected so much stuff around the house the past week. So I'm finally going to get a chance to clean up and get my life together because school was so crazy. If you're in school and you're watching this, you know exactly how crazy finals weeks are. Now imagine on top of that you're running your own business on top of finals week. It's just crazy. So today I'm going to show you all a delicious kelp noodle salad recipe. This kelp noodle salad will be in my raw vegan cookbook that's coming up literally next month, mid-January. Save your calendar because it's going to be super exciting. And I'm basically just going to make like a delicious raw buffet lunch just for me, literally just for me. It's gonna have a bunch of fruit, veggies, probably guacamole if I can find a ripe avocado. I'm going to make fresh juice. Boy, I'm hungry, may I tell you. It's literally almost 3 o'clock. I haven't eaten anything. I woke up at 12. I'm talking too much. Let's go ahead and go to the grocery store. Today I'll be going to Kroger, Aldi and Whole Foods. I don't think I can make it to anywhere else because I'm so hungry and I'm not going to eat anything on the road. I'm literally going to have a really big raw vegan lunch today and I'm so excited. Let's go. Before we start the video, I wanted to say that if you're interested in purchasing the new Nama M1 or literally any of Nama's products, tomorrow, December 16th is the last day to purchase products so that they can come right before Christmas. If you're interested, make sure you use code ITALEATSM1 and the link in the description box down below for 10% off all of Nama's products. And remember, tomorrow is the last day.
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown, with our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs, with our best moves we get groovy. My, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na.
I don't hang around long. I've been about my business, I've been working to the moon. As in my religion, we're just getting to the door. On a mission, I've been 10 toes, I don't never fold. Ain't no competition, beefing up all and we keep running up the digits. We need it all, from the spring to the winter, we don't take no intermissions. But in the hours and the seconds and the minutes, as long as the clock still tick, you can always count on me to talk that. It's been a minute since you heard somebody rock like this. And if the shoes that make me walk like this, I ain't paid for it, I was made for it. As for certain, I'm 50-50, I'm not skateboarding. And I don't like to follow rules, I don't take orders. I don't like to follow rules, I don't take orders. No. Be trying your hardest to fake me, I know. Don't try to play me, baby, I'm way too grown. Portraying an angel, but acting shady on the low. Like how you be hating, but still be playing my songs. Don't try to come to your senses after I'm gone. You would need some best for these fits I be putting on. Trying to duplicate the way that I do it, you dead wrong. You know it ain't really that easy if I ain't involved. As long as the clock still tick, you can always count on me to talk that. It's been a minute since you heard somebody rock like this. And if the shoes that make me walk like this, I ain't paid for it, I was made for it. As for certain, I'm 50-50, I'm not skateboarding. And I don't like to follow rules, I don't take orders. I don't like to follow rules, I don't take orders.
Alright, you guys, so this is the whole grocery haul. Most of this is going to be used for my raw week. This is going to be probably cooked, but you can eat butternut squash raw. Actually, I made a juice out of it and it was really good. So basically we have grapefruit, whole heap of fruit, banana, seeded grapes. I was so happy to be able to find seeded grapes at the store. Mushrooms, because I'm going to make some marinated mushrooms. I'm super excited for that. I got these mini avocados that I'm going to use to make some delicious guacamole. Kale. I got some salad greens because why not? Mandarin and stuff. On the menu for today, I'm going to be making a delicious beet pomegranate seeded grape and apple juice. Then I'm going to be making like probably either a fruit salad or like a veggie salad. I don't know, but I just want to have like a buffet for myself because my friend and I are actually gonna go out and we're gonna go watch the Christmas lights of different houses and neighborhoods. So I'm super excited. So I wanted to make sure I have a very nice raw electric meal in my tummy before I do that. So let me go ahead, put away all of these groceries, and after that I'm gonna go ahead and start to prepare everything. So lately I have always been making sure to really soak and wash my fruit properly. I like to wash my fresh produce in a combination of water, baking soda, and vinegar. This honestly really helps to get it nice and clean, get off any dirt or bugs that might be on. And honestly, a lot of United States products lately have been getting recalled for salmonella, and to me that is terrifying. So I'm often make sure the whole of my something is clean. So I've been making and sharing this marinated mushroom recipe on my channel for honestly like a year now, and this recipe is so good. I love it so much. It's super simple. I shared it a while back in one of my raw vegan videos and a lot of people loved it, so I'm going to really make sure I develop the recipe properly and include it in my upcoming raw cookbook. So make sure you stay tuned for that because I'm excited. The key to letting this have a whole lot of flavor and making it get all nice and tender so it's not gross and rubbery is to allow it to soak in the sauce. The sauce is really what makes it nice and tender and delicious and yummy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and chop up a whole heap of fresh stuff for my salad, like bell pepper, habanero, like scotch bonnet, like some delicious cherry tomatoes, and scallion, aka green onion. When you're having a salad, no matter what the base is, no matter if the base is kelp noodles or regular greens, you have to make sure you build up the flavor with different fresh foods and with a very nice and flavorful dressing. Can we please talk about how cute and quaint these avocados are? They are so adorable and mini. I went ahead and put 2 of those into a little bowl with some chopped up tomato, an onion, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and Italian seasoning, and this made such an incredible and delicious guacamole. So I've seen a lot of people very honestly scared of trying kelp noodles because they say that it tastes really crunchy, and the reason why your kelp noodles might be crunchy is because you're not preparing them the right way. So how I make my kelp noodles is that I massage them and toss them around with a baking soda and lemon juice mixture, and they literally get softened almost immediately. But I make sure to massage them for about like 30 seconds to 60 seconds and it gets perfect. I went ahead and prepared a super easy tahini dressing using a raw tahini, so it not only adds to the protein level, but it gives the salad a bit more of a filling feel, so I can feel more full with the protein that's in the dressing. Now I'm going ahead and washing off the fruits that I had soaking for the past 20 minutes or so. This basically just has 1 pomegranate, 2 apples, 1 to 2 cups of seeded red grapes. The seeds actually have a great amount of health benefits, so I'm so happy that I was able to get seeded red grapes, and 1 ginormous beet. Beets are full of iron, so packed with iron, so they're great for women. They're great for everybody, but especially women during that time of the month. Pomegranates are super delicious. They're packed and loaded with antioxidants and actually have aphrodisiac properties. The juicer I'm using is the Covings Auto 10 Plus. If you're interested, you can go ahead and use code ITALEATS and the link in the description box to get 10% off this juicer. And if you want this one to come before Christmas as well, make sure you go ahead and order. Another reason I really love this juicer is because the pulp gets so dry, and it really shows that none of the produce that you have is wasted because the pulp is super dry, which means that you have optimized the amount of juice possible that you were able to get. When I used to have a cheaper juicer, my pulp used to be super wet, so it just makes me so happy that now I finally have a cold press juicer that makes super dry pulp. This is delicious. Okay, also thank you so much for tuning in. That was such a delicious meal and I feel so rejuvenated, honestly. I'm especially happy with the beet juice because I started my period and beets have a really good amount of iron, so that really helped to replenish the iron that I lost during the cycle. So like I said, if you want that recipe, be sure to stay tuned for my raw vegan cookbook that is coming out mid-January, literally next month. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!